In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up volumetric footprint charts in NinjaTrader. Now, to do this, I first have to tell you that you will need a specific plan, and it is the Order Flow Plus plan, because if you don't have it, you're gonna run into this error over here, which says, please go to Plans section of the client dashboard to add Order Flow Plus functionality, okay? So you have to click on Manage Your Subscriptions if that happens, and you have to go and get that to be able to, of course, set up the volumetric footprint chart. Now, once you do that and once you actually have it to use it, what you want to do is open up a chart. So go to your control center, click on New, and then click on Chart, and just open up any chart that you wish. It's completely up to you. And then, of course, it's going to look like that. Of course, a basic chart. Then you want to go and you want to right-click anywhere inside your new chart window and click on Data Series or press Ctrl F on your keyboard. It's going to work the same way as well. So to set up the volumetric footprint charts, what you're going to have to do here is go to Data Series, and where it says Type, you want to click on Tick to open the drop-down menu, and you want to search for Order Flow Volumetric, okay? So just click on Order Flow Volumetric, and then this is going to give you some more options you can basically do in here, so we can then go and adjust these volumetric parameters. So here you have, for example, base period type over here, and of course the value. So I'm gonna keep this at minute, for example, but of course you can have it like on minute, you can have it on ticks, you can have it whatever. So for example, if you do like 1 minute over here, that's gonna be 1 minute. You could do 500 ticks if you do like 500 over here, or 150, or whatever you actually want to do. I'm gonna keep it at 1 minute for now. Then of course you have things like delta type over here, so you have like bid ask, up down tick, etc., and then ticks per level, and you can of course have tick replay as well, etc. And then down here you have things like loaded data based on, you can do days, and then it says days to load. So this is going to basically allow you to kind of restrict historical data loading. So you can of course set this to like 2 to 3 days to actually optimize performance and speed up calculation times, okay? And this tick replay I showed earlier, basically you have to enable this or not depending on what you want to achieve. But if you of course enable this, it's going to be sometimes it's going to be necessary, okay? So you have to enable it if it is required by your data feed for precise historical bid or ask reconstruction, okay? So it depends on your specific data feed that you are using. And of course down here you can also go and change your chart styles, you can go and change colors, you can go and change like different imbalances over here and stuff like that. All of this can be changed. If you want to change the colors, click the drop downs and then the color you want to use, and when you're done, don't forget to hit the apply button and then OK, and that's literally all you have to do to set up your volumetric footprint charts in NinjaTrader. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.